Today, I'll be helping you to create your very own modded Minecraft server. We'll go through every step from Java setup to connecting, so you can add new mods to add a new flavor for your next epic Minecraft experience. I'll show you how to do this with self-hosting and an example of how this works with a hosting provider. If this video helps you, or if you enjoy the videos that I make, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all the server hosting news. Let's get started. First off, we're gonna prep our server computer. A modded Minecraft server demands solid hardware, at least 8 gigs of RAM for small groups. But if you're running heavy mod packs with lots of players, you're going to need more than that. A stable internet connection is crucial to avoid lag spikes that can make playing together frustrating fast. Modded servers love a strong processor to handle complex mods like biomes, plenty, or tech guns, so I would recommend a CPU with specs similar to or better than the Ryzen 5 5600 or Intel i5 12400F. Next, we need to make sure that the right version of Java is installed. Minecraft servers run on Java, so grab the Java Development Kit or JDK from Oracle's official site. In 2025, JDK 21 is the go-to for Minecraft 1.21 compatibility. Make sure you take the right version for your current OS, so for me that would be Windows. Run the installer and verify it's working by typing java -version in your command prompt or terminal. If it shows that JDK 21 is installed, then you're set. Let's head to minecraft.net to download the Minecraft server software. Grab the server.jar file for your desired version. For JDK 21, we will be downloading 1.21. Create a dedicated folder on your computer and name it something like Minecraft server. We're going to drop the .jar file in there. This folder is where all your server files will be kept, making sure things stay organized. Now we need to add our mod support. Forge is the gold standard for modded Minecraft, supporting tons of mods. Visit files.minecraftforge.net to download the installer for your Minecraft version. Run the file and select Install Server. Point it to your server folder and let it work its magic. Fabric is an alternative, but Forge is more versatile for most mod packs in 2025. Next, let's run the file called run.bat to create the mods folder and the EULA file, where we need to change false to true. Next up is the fun part, adding our mods. Browse trusted sites like CurseForge or Modrent for mods compatible with your Minecraft and Forge versions. We will be using biomes plenty for this example. Download the mod.jar files and place them in the mods folder in your server directory. Make sure that you check all the dependencies and mods that your desired mod needs to run. Also, make sure that the version is exactly the same as your Minecraft version, otherwise this won't work. Now that the mods are in the right folder, open the server.properties file in your server folder with a text editor. If you don't see a server.properties file, just run the server.jar file once to create this file and close it again. Tweak settings like MOTD for a custom server name, game mode for survival or creative, difficulty, and max players. For modded servers, consider setting spawn protection to 0 to avoid conflicts with modded structures. Save your changes and close the file. If you want your friends to join from a network outside of the network your server computer is on, you would need to set up port forwarding, but we won't be covering that in this video. Hit the subscribe button and keep an eye on the channel for a future tutorial on this. To launch your server, you need to double-click the server.jar file in your server folder. A window will pop up showing some server info like the amount of memory and which players are connected. It might take a minute with mods. Don't panic if it's slow the first time. Once it's done loading, your modded server is ready to be joined. Open Minecraft, go to multiplayer and click add server. If you're hosting and playing on the same computer, enter localhost as the IP. To connect to your server from a separate computer, use the public IP of the computer that the server is on. You can find the IP using sites like whatismyipaddress.com. Click join server to enter your modded world. To have your friends join your server, share the computer's IP address with them as well, but be careful not to give out the IP to just anyone, because this can leave you vulnerable to DDoS attacks. Maintaining your server is important, so you need to keep your mods and Forge updated to avoid bugs. Check the websites where you download mods from and the Forge site regularly. Back up your world folder, found in your server directory, usually called something like world, weekly to protect your progress. You get tools or automated backup plugins that can simplify this step. Regular maintenance keeps your server smooth and crash-free. And just like that, you have your very own modded Minecraft server. Just a quick tip, test your server with one mod first to ensure stability before adding more. Now, if you've watched through this entire setup and thought to yourself, man, I wish I could play modded Minecraft with my friends without all this hassle, then I have good news for you. Pine Hosting is a server hosting provider that will have your modded Minecraft server up and running in minutes. They offer servers at a very reasonable price, with servers that can support heavy players and mod loads. They have a very responsive 24/7 support team that'll fix your issues in the blink of an eye. They offer 99.99% uptime on servers and DDoS protection, so you can easily run a server and invite anyone. And all those mods you wanted to install is now made easy with drag and drop installs. And I have a special surprise for my viewers. If you use the code ATH on the link in the description, you can get 30% off your first month with Pine. Drop a comment below on which mods you're using or what games I should cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.